Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Today we are in the city of Onitsha and we are going to be visiting one of the biggest drug markets in Nigeria. Yes, you can't talk about drugs or medicine without talking about this market, and it's located in Onitsha in Anambra State. So welcome to Ugbogo, as it is popularly called. This market is situated just right beside the head bridge. So once you are crossing over from Delta State, the market is what you just see by your left hand side. But beyond drugs, there are other stuffs that is being sold here. So beyond drug, it's not just for drug alone, even though it is called Ubogu. There are other things you can get. Food stuff is being sold here, clothes is being sold here. But the major stuff they do around here is medicine and drug that is being sold here. So we're going to be checking out the market and giving you guys all the details and tips of what you need to know about this market. If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for our channel, and also do well to let us know what you think about this market in the comment section. And if you've ever visited before, also do let us know. So I'm going to be giving you some tricks about this market. I think this market is a home to most pharmaceutical companies in Nigeria, and the transactions that happens here on a daily basis is in billions of naira. So revenue is being generated from this market every single day. One unique thing about Onitsha in Anambra State is the fact that there are different markets for different things. They have the building material market, they have a chanja market, they have the relief market. So a lot of markets like that scattered all over the place, and Ugbogo is one of those markets where you just call any dealing at all concerning injectables, concerning tablets, concerning everything you can think about happens around here. Yeah, there's still a rift between if it is okay or it is not okay for drugs to be sold in this pattern, but it has been in existence from time immemorial in Nigeria. Not just here. Lagos has their own called the Dumota. There is one also in Kano, which I learned they had some issues of recent. The market was shut and has not been reopened or so. But Ugbogo is still very much functional. And one thing that is peculiar with the eastern region of Nigeria also is that almost every state in the east have a drug market. It has become a norm because the Igbo people see it as a business and they attack it with the business mindset. Yeah, even though they get pharmacies to license their business premise and get on their business, but then again, it's purely business for them. So, and that Igbo apprenticeship program that we talk about happens a lot in this market. You find one person that has a shop, has more than 10-15 boys who are serving under him, who handles a lot of stuff. So when you are walking into this market, they are calling you from right, left, and center, trying to drag you into their shop for you to patronize them. You understand? So if you are coming to the market and you have your money on you, you need to be extremely careful. I'm going to be showing you a scene as we go on this video very soon that you should be very careful, because the gumbody inside the market and the gumbody inside the street of the market is very, very tight. So if you are not very, very much careful, you're going to miss your money. So preferably, if you're even coming, it's better not to even come with cash. Just come and be making transfers for people, because a lot of pickpocket happens around the market and all of that. So that's just a candid advice to as many who will be coming. So I will show you guys how cluster a particular portion of this market is very soon, so you have an idea of what I am talking about. So you just have it at the back of your mind when you are coming. Though government has stepped in during the time of Dora, a lot of fights really happened with Dora Queen at that time, because she really wanted to close down the market, because she just felt it is unethical for it to be sold, for drugs to be sold like this. But all she tried, she could not really succeed in doing it. So they have various lines in this market, and each of these individual lines deal on different kind of products. So if you are coming to the market and you're looking for the likes of, let's say, antibiotics or eye drops, there are lines dedicated to these things. If you're looking for eye drops, there are lines dedicated to eye drops. If you're looking for creams, there's a cream line where you just go, you get more of cream around that particular area. So just like I mentioned earlier, you see this cluster. Other place is now that woman with a bag. I needed to fix my camera to see if something was going to happen to her bag. So that was why I focused my cameras at that time looking at it. After the whole incident, I had to tell the woman, please keep your bag very well, because that bag is too exposed and anything can happen to her bag. So like I was saying, they have individual line, tablet line, cream line, The lines for eye drops and all of that, they are all there. So there are specific things for specific lines, and each line they are entitled to making their line looks good. As you can see, the line I'm currently on now, they have fans, they ensure they shield it and just put a transparent stuff not to be dark, so a lot of things like that happens within the line, and they pay levies that they use for most of these maintainers. So if you have ever visited this market before, let me know in the comment section. Also tell me of your experience. I learned you can get any kind of medication in this market. Another concern I have again regarding this market is for injectables and for what we call the cold chain medications. I don't really know how they are preserving it, because you rarely see a shop that have a fridge. So for cold chain medications, I don't really know how they are preserving it in this market. That's really one of the concerns I have regarding the drug being sold here. So I don't know how they're preserving the cold chain medication, except they have a warehouse somewhere that is locked, where they have fridge where they dump all of those cold chain medications, but I don't know. So that's just a concern for me. So if you've ever traded here before, or you know any of the people who deal on medications here, you can also let us know in the comment section and give us feedback regarding how that is done. But a few interactions with some of them who deal more on tablets, asking them about patronage. They said, yeah, they get patronage from everywhere. They even take drug as far as across the borders of Nigeria. They have clients across the borders of Nigeria. And literally every pharmaceutical company have their presence here. So that's one very, very much interesting thing about the market. So they carry drugs far as many places, so they don't mind. Just call them from any location. They are willing to ship the drug to you, no matter the quantity you are looking for. And some of them who also operate here also have their premise outside, where they also receive most of these goods before transporting it down to the market. So you see trailers loading in and out of this market every single day. So that is it, guys. Like I said before, this market is in the heart of Onitsha, just immediately after the head bridge. So if you've been here before, let us know in the comment section. So it was great doing a walking tour of this market and showing you around Ogbogu in Onitsha. So let me get your thoughts in the comment section regarding it. What is your own opinion? If you're a pharmacist here, let me also know what you think of the concept of these open markets in Nigeria. I'll be looking forward to your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.